I realized after looking at last night's video that it was terrible. At a certain point I was trying to manipulate something with one hand and hold the camera in the other hand, and in so doing, I failed to capture on camera what I was trying to capture. So I'm using a different camera now on a tripod. It's a larger camera though, so I can't just stick it in the footwell, and if I try to point things out, my arm will get in the way. So I'm just going to indicate with a little pointer what I had to do to the courtesy light circuit. Okay, so there are supposed to be 3 diodes in the system here. These diodes are missing. There is an equal number of male and female connections. I used the wiring diagram to figure out which male and female connections go together, and I put them together. But the problem was, when I did that, the courtesy lights only came on when the driver's door was open, not when the passenger door was open. So what I did was I made a 3-way jumper here to connect these 2 wires, that's the red and blue and the purple and white, with these 2 purple and white wires in this connector, these 2 purple and light pink wires in this connector, and these 2 purple and blue wires in this connector. See, 3-way jumper. What this does is it allows the courtesy lights to be turned on by either door or both doors. The drawback to that is that when one door is open, the lights, the amber and red lights on the other door also shine. This is something that I'm going to put up with for now, until I actually end up replacing the diodes. And not with 38-year-old diodes that cost $4 or $5 a piece, but I'm going to have to source some new diodes and put them in where they belong to restore the original function of the circuit. But for now, this is fine.